Gary here from Pathways Homestead, and I'm digging sweet potatoes. Before the frost, it's good to pick sweet potatoes right before the first frost and get them out of the ground right before it frosts. Give them all the growing season, but get them before they send the sugars, before the plants die off. And you can see there's one there that I'm trying to trace out. The ground is hard. We haven't gotten rain here in Missouri in a while, and so the ground's gotten really hard, and I'm trying to get this out without breaking it.
So there's that one there. Mm-hmm. Then there's one right there that you've already started tracing out too.
Mm-hmm. There's that one.
Well, yeah, nice.
I don't know if that's just a little one or if that's the end of one. Let's see about that. Oh.
There, you clipped one there? So how many on average did we average per plant?
We've averaged probably 5 or 6 per plant, 5 or 6 good sweet potatoes. And we've gotten some really nice ones. There's some, and I've got a crate or two in the house full of potatoes that were even bigger. There's another one.
I just think of that year in Kansas we grew them footballs, but one's bigger than footballs.
Yeah. Yeah, those are really nice. These are really nice sweet potatoes, and these are Beauregards, which are our favorite variety. They're pretty much, if you've bought sweet potatoes at the store and ate them, you've probably eaten Beauregards. They're the big, kind of reddy brown sweet potatoes that give us that typical sweet potato color and flavor.
Still, we can eat it. It'll be good in a roast. We like to fry, and especially bake sweet potatoes. Mm-hmm. We eat them fried quite a bit.
Yeah, we like fried sweet potatoes. We like them roasted. We like them baked. We like them in pies.
Mm-hmm. We'll have a sweet potato pie at Thanksgiving, at least one, if not two. Years ago, I started making sweet potato pie because we liked it better than pumpkin. And that ended up being because of you'd put different spices in, I think. But I don't know. Because we made pumpkin ones last year and was still asked where my quote pumpkin pie was, even though, because one of Gary's nephews thinks that my sweet potato pie is pumpkin pie. But he likes it better than pumpkin pie.
Although the flesh, you can make it taste a lot like pumpkin. There's a big difference. I think part of it's the potato.
The consistency.
Well, and the flavor.
Yeah. I like a sweet potato pie better than a pumpkin pie.
Me too. Although I like pumpkin pies. Ground got hard down deep.
Yeah, I see that. What do we need to do to help remedy that? Do we need to dig deeper, or do we need to put a good layer of compost over the winter for the worms to work it?
Yeah, and more organic material.
Okay.
So organic material makes the soil fluffier.
Right.
As it's breaking down, and it draws worms and fungus, which helps that too. most of your garden problems can be aided at least with more organic material and more manure, which is organic material. Compost and manure helps the garden a lot.
So the sweet potato vines you see right here, they're going to go right back on top of this patch. And we'll probably throw in that pile of rabbit manure and the chick bedding. We got the chicks on the porch. That'll go into the garden as well. Maybe not in this spot, but somewhere along the lines.
It's already in the garden behind you.
Oh, it's already in the spot behind me. Okay. And once we harvest the garden, we'll start moving the chicken tractors over across the garden area as well for them to leave manure and to get some of the bugs and stuff too. And help process the organic matter left over. Oh no, broke the shovel. That poor shovel handle. He's seen better days.
But there you go. We've dug these sweet potatoes. We've got a couple more to dig where we had them between squash, which there may not be many sweet potatoes
right
there. And because they don't get as took good care of, and they get shaded out pretty hard. But we'll have those to get to here in a minute, and we're going to finish digging our sweet potatoes. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And remember that God made you special, and He loves you very much.